Hello friends, welcome to SQL Server tutorial. Now we are at the last part of the subseries Manage Tables. In this video, we will see how to create computed columns. Computed columns are actually derived from existing columns. It can be derived from either one column or it can be derived from multiple columns also. In the last video, we inserted some table data. Now we will proceed with the computed column. So the demo will go like this. First, we will add a column for salary. Then we will place a computed column bonus. And if you see, the bonus column is derived from the salary column. That's why here in the data type, you are not seeing any type. Why? Because bonus is derived from salary and it performs some calculation based out of salary. Here you can see the bonus is derived like this: experience, so the specific column, into salary divided by 100. So that's how the bonus is calculated. So in the SQL Server view, the column will be shown here as computed column. And if you see, the data type is derived from the calculation. So experience is tiny int, but when it is multiplied with the salary, the data type will go to bigger bytes. So that's why the data type decided here is integer. So it is decided by the calculation here. Alright, now we will go to the demo and create the computed column. So here in the database, expand CE2 tables. By this time we know how to change the table definition. So we will right click and choose design. Here we will define one more column, salary. We will choose data type as integer. I will type int, then pick the data type here. So it will not allow null. Here we will create one more column called bonus. Data type we will leave it as blank. So here there is a computed column specification, right? So expand this. Okay, let's keep it as int. So here if you see, experience into salary divided by 100 and hitting enter here. So once I hit enter, if you see, the data type whatever I selected, that is gone. Why? Because the data type will be derived from the column exp as well as salary. So this will act as a computed column. Now we can go ahead and save the employee. So since it is showing the error, let me click cancel. So let's allow null. Why? Because there are data in the table, right? Alright, these two we kept as null. Now I am saving the table. If you see, the table is saved and a null, allow null is automatically placed here. So let us refresh this. And if I expand column, you can see the column here is bonus and it is a computed column. You can see the change in the icon as well as the field or the text here shows it is a computed column. Now we will bring the select top 1000, or we will go for edit top 200 rows. Here salary is null, right? So that's why it doesn't allow when I save the table. So we placed the tick mark stating allow null. Now we can enter salary. Alright, now all these are uncommitted. Now we can click save all. Now when I reopen the table, the bonus fields are calculated here, right? If you create a new field 5, so that's a auto calculated field. Save all and close this. Now this time we will go to the select query and write and you can see that bonus field is calculated automatically. So even if you write a insert statement, you no need to insert data for bonus because the bonus field is calculated automatically. So these computed columns are useful when your table is big and when you are retrieving the data, you no need to write the expression. Say for example, if I go to design, here we kept an expression, right? So while retrieving the data, the time itself you can specify the similar expression and get the column or derive the column from existing columns. But when the data is huge, for each row it will apply this calculation and your select query may take more time to retrieve the data. So that will affect the performance. So that's the negative side. But data storage can be eliminated. Here if you see, the bonus field is calculated while inserting the data and it occupies some disk space. Why? Because data is stored to the disk, right? Let me copy this. What I'm talking is, so here if you see, we have salary and this is the column cooked on the fly. But what happens here is each time it will, for each row it will apply this calculation. But instead, if you directly use the bonus column, it was already calculated and available for you, so the multiplication operation and the division will not be performed here. That's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.